In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal account address to another country. Before we start, here's the key thing you need to know. PayPal does not let you change the country of an existing account. If you've moved, the correct process is to close your current account and create a new one that matches your new country of residence. I'll walk you through that safely and cleanly so you don't run into limitations later. First, sign into your PayPal account at the official website, use a secure connection, and make sure you can access any verification methods on your account, such as your authenticator or text codes. Next, review your current address from the settings area under account information and then address. You can update or add addresses within the same country here, but you won't be able to switch countries. This step is mostly to confirm what's on file and note anything you might want to replicate later in your new account. Before you close your account, resolve everything tied to it. Withdraw any remaining balance to your bank and allow time for the transfer to clear. Remove linked bank accounts and cards so they aren't left attached to a closed profile. Cancel any active subscriptions or pre-approved payments to prevent missed renewals or failed charges. Also check for open disputes, limitations, pending refunds, or authorizations and get those fully resolved. It's a good idea to download statements or transaction history you may need for taxes or personal records because you won't have access after closure. When you're ready, go to Settings, scroll down, and select Close Your Account. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. Closing is permanent, so make sure all withdrawals have completed and everything important has been saved. Now create a new PayPal account for your new country. Go back to the website, choose Sign Up, and select the country where you currently live. Pick personal or business based on your needs, then enter your current local address and mobile number, along with other required details. Complete all verification steps. Make sure the information matches your government ID and banking details to avoid future limitations and avoid using a VPN or non-local contact info. Finally, link payment methods from your new country, add a local bank account and a card issued there, and complete any verification, such as confirming small deposits or a card code. Using local methods improves acceptance and helps prevent currency or compliance issues. That's it. You've effectively changed your PayPal country by creating a new account that matches your location. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.